Hi, this is a quick screencast on how to pull results, an item analysis result from the state test. And this report is good because you can use it to really drill down into what the student struggled with. So without getting too much farther, this is how you would do it. Go to oh.portal.airAsked.org. You're going to go to the online reporting system. You are going to retrieve student results. We are going to drop down and we want individual student reports. All of these, the rest of these filters are fine. The grade is grade 3. And I could go ahead and download all of the reports from grade 3 for every student, but you are most likely just going to want your class. So let's pretend I'm Bennett here. And when I do that, I can download the report. And it takes a minute to download, and this one is still, if it's bold, it's still thinking. But prior to this video, I actually already downloaded Bennett's to save some time. So I'm going to download it. Here it is. Go ahead and open it. Here it is. And then these are all her reports, each kid. So if I open up one of these students, this is Charlotte. Charlotte did okay, was below that 700. However, the part that we're going to talk about today is this part. So we can really dig down into the item and figure out how Charlotte did on particular items. As far as like point of view here, it looks like it was worth a point, and she was able to get a point. But on these items here, those might be items that I could review with Charlotte. I hope that helps, and we'll take a little bit more look at this in PLC, but I wanted to make sure I showed you how to find that report. Thank you.